So word is out that Sprint King Usain Bolt is saying he would make a comeback if his coach asked him. Those are the words attributed to the great man himself. And it got me thinking, 3 years now, away from the bright lights, it's just about that time when sports superstars, after long and illustrious careers, this is just about the time when they begin to miss the spotlight and when they start hearing voices in their head telling them to come back, come back, come back. Of course, the poor quality of the Jamaican male sprinting might also be a factor in drawing out Bolt, and we assume that any return would have to coincide with the big stage of the Olympics next year. But while he could beat the current crop of Jamaican sprinters running backwards in his sleep, it is getting it done and avoiding getting beat up and embarrassed on the international stage that would pose the challenge for Usain Bolt. And I don't think the big man needs to take that kind of risk against his legacy. At now 33, going on 34, that window for a return is just about closed. Anyway, it would be great to have Bolt back. The sport of athletics could do with the boost and sports commentary. We'd have lots of fun and lots of things to talk about. Imagine, Bolt is back, but without the lightning. Or the lightning has gone.